Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be analyzing dispute resolution methods for construction industry in Malaysia, comparing of CIPAA adjudication, arbitration, and court litigation. This slide provides a concise overview of the three primary dispute resolution methods used in construction law: CIPAA adjudication, arbitration, and court litigation. CIPAA adjudication is characterized by its fast and interim nature, offering enforceable decisions that prioritize cash flow through a pay now, argue later approach. Arbitration, on the other hand, is a private and consensual process that is procedurally flexible and suitable for complex disputes requiring final determinations and broad remedies. Court litigation is the most formal and public method, often slow and expensive, but necessary when statutory remedies or specific injunctions are required. This summary sets the stage for a deeper exploration of each method's purpose, scope, and practical implications. CIPAA adjudication is specifically designed for payment disputes under written construction contracts where work is carried out wholly or partly in Malaysia. Its primary goal is to provide a fast interim remedy to protect cash flow. Arbitration serves as a party-chosen alternative dispute resolution method applicable to a broad range of contract disputes, not limited to payment issues. It is commonly used in construction due to the frequent inclusion of arbitration clauses in contracts. Court litigation offers a public forum for all civil claims, whether statutory or contractual, and encompasses a wide array of legal actions including debt recovery, injunctions, declarations, and fraud claims. Understanding the scope of each method helps stakeholders choose the most appropriate forum based on the nature of their dispute. CIPAA adjudication is governed by strict statutory timelines, typically resulting in a decision within 90 to 110 working days from the initial claim. This expedited process is designed to ensure swift resolution and maintain cash flow. Arbitration timelines vary significantly, ranging from several months to years, depending on procedural steps such as disclosure, witness testimony, and hearings. Court litigation is generally the slowest method due to interlocutory steps, scheduling delays, and the potential for appeals, often extending over multiple years. The speed of resolution is a critical factor for parties seeking timely outcomes, especially in payment-related disputes. CIPAA adjudication is designed to be cost-effective, with a shorter process and limited exchange of documents and expert evidence. Administrative fees are applicable, but overall costs are generally lower than arbitration or litigation. Arbitration costs can range from moderate to high, influenced by tribunal fees, legal representation, expert involvement, and the duration of proceedings. Court litigation is often the most expensive due to legal fees, discovery processes, and the potential for appeals. Cost is a significant consideration for parties, particularly subcontractors and smaller entities seeking efficient dispute resolution. CIPAA decisions are immediately binding and enforceable, offering temporary finality. The losing party must comply unless the decision is set aside by the High Court or superseded by arbitration or litigation. Arbitration awards are final and binding on the merits, with limited grounds for setting aside under statutory provisions. Court judgments are final but subject to appellate review, which may involve questions of law or fact. The degree of finality and enforceability influences the strategic choice of dispute resolution, especially when parties seek closure or interim relief. CIPAA adjudication focuses on monetary payment claims, with adjudicators having jurisdiction primarily over payment-related issues. Remedies include adjudicated sums, interest, costs, and enforcement mechanisms such as judgment registration and direct payment from principals. Arbitration offers a broader range of remedies, including damages, declarations, and specific performance, making it suitable for complex contractual and technical disputes. Courts provide the full spectrum of legal remedies, including injunctions, declarations, rescission, and even criminal referrals. The scope of issues and available remedies are pivotal in determining the appropriate forum for dispute resolution. CIPAA procedures are streamlined and less formal, with limited documentary exchange and tight submission windows. Adjudicators have discretion over evidence, making it suitable for quick fact-finding but potentially resulting in rough justice. Arbitration allows parties to control procedures within the framework of arbitration rules, including full disclosure, witness statements, expert evidence, and oral hearings. This flexibility suits complex factual disputes. Court litigation involves formal pleadings, discovery, oral hearings, and strict rules of evidence, making it ideal for intricate legal issues requiring comprehensive examination. Procedural formality and evidentiary standards are key factors in forum selection. CIPAA adjudication is administered through bodies like AIAC, with confidentiality dependent on institutional rules and party agreements. It lacks the established precedent for confidentiality found in arbitration. Arbitration is generally private and confidential, governed by tribunal rules and mutual agreements. Court litigation is inherently public, with hearings and judgments accessible unless otherwise ordered by the court. Privacy considerations are crucial for parties concerned about reputational risks or sensitive information disclosure. CIPAA decisions can be enforced by registering them as judgments in the High Court or through Section 30, which allows direct payment from principals if respondents fail to pay. This is particularly advantageous for subcontractors. Additional enforcement tools include work suspension and winding up proceedings. Arbitration awards require court enforcement if resisted, while courts can directly order injunctions and other equitable remedies not available under CIPAA. Practical enforcement options significantly impact the effectiveness of dispute resolution outcomes. CIPAA decisions can be set aside by the High Court on limited grounds such as jurisdictional errors or breaches of natural justice. Since CIPAA offers temporary finality, successful claimants must act swiftly to enforce decisions. Arbitration awards may be set aside on narrow statutory grounds and can be enforced internationally under the New York Convention. Court judgments are subject to appeals on legal and factual grounds within appellate rules. Understanding the review and appeal mechanisms helps parties anticipate potential challenges and plan enforcement strategies. CIPAA adjudication is ideal for payment claims requiring quick cash flow solutions. It offers a fast, cost-effective, and enforceable interim decision, making it particularly useful for subcontractors concerned about non-payment. Section 30 provides a unique enforcement route by allowing direct payment from principals. Arbitration is recommended for complex disputes involving broad contractual, technical, or legal issues, and for parties seeking finality in a private forum with flexible procedures. Court litigation is appropriate when statutory remedies, criminal matters, or public law issues are involved, or when arbitration is unavailable or unsuitable. Strategic forum selection depends on the dispute's nature, urgency, and desired outcomes. CIPAA adjudication offers several advantages, including speed, lower cost, immediate enforceability, and the powerful Section 30 remedy. However, its decisions are temporary and limited to payment issues, with a less formal process that may lack thoroughness. Arbitration provides final, private, and flexible resolution suitable for complex disputes, but it is slower and more expensive than adjudication. Court litigation delivers comprehensive remedies and established procedures with public accountability, but it is the slowest and most costly method. This comparative analysis helps stakeholders weigh the benefits and drawbacks of each method to make informed decisions.
If you like our content, kindly like, share and subscribe.